Hello everyone, welcome back to Jera's Fresh Kitchen. Today I'm sharing a quick, fresh, and easy recipe for a Korean style pickled daikon, carrots, and cucumbers. I first fell in love with this tangy, crunchy side dish at my favorite Korean barbecue restaurant, and I knew I had to figure out how to make it at home. Now it's a staple in my fridge. I use it as a side dish, snack, or even a topping for rice bowls and tacos. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need daikon, or Japanese radish, carrots, Asian cucumbers. This type of cucumber has a more crispy texture that holds up to the pickling process better than a standard market cucumber. For the pickling brine, you will need rice wine vinegar, white sugar, salt, and peppercorns. You can find the exact ingredient measurements and directions in the description. First, we'll make the brine. Gather all the brine ingredients and add them to a pot. Turn the heat to medium and bring it to a boil. Stir occasionally to help dissolve the sugar and salt. Once dissolved, take the brine off the heat and let it come to room temperature. While the brine cools down, let's prepare the veggies. Start by peeling the skin off all of the vegetables. Cut everything into long, thin rectangles. Once the veggies are cut, put them into a container. I'm using these restaurant-style plastic containers I found on Amazon. They're perfect for pickling, and I'll link them below. But feel free to use mason jars or any food-safe container you have at home. Now that our brine has cooled to room temperature, pour it over the vegetables, making sure they're fully submerged. Seal the container with a lid and give it a little shake to evenly distribute the brine. You can eat these just after an hour of pickling, but for the best flavor and texture, pop them into the fridge and let them marinate overnight. Trust me, the wait is worth it. And here's the finished product. These Korean style pickled daikon, carrots, and cucumbers are crisp, tangy, and slightly sweet. They make a great side dish for any meal, or you can snack on them straight from the fridge. I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments if you make it and what you paired it with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my recipe videos. Enjoy!